The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate a laser-activated chitosan adhesive and illustrate how to apply it when repairing peripheral nerves. This is accomplished by first solubilizing chitosan and rose Bengal powder in acetic acid solution. The second step of the procedure is to dry cast the solution to obtain a thin film. The third step is to expose the rat nerve and dissect it. The final step is to place the film around the dissected nerve and irradiate it with a green laser to bond the film to the tissue. Ultimately, the strength with which rose film bonds to the tissue is measured using a calibrated tensiometer.
The laser adhesive is biocompatible and has the advantage of bonding directly to the tissue. This makes it very useful for repairing tissue that is deep and difficult to get to, where sutures would be difficult. It would also have the advantage of repairing tissue where watertight closure is important, such as the dura or the bowel.
It is important to demonstrate visually the rose Bengal-Chitosan adhesive technique because several steps are involved in the adhesive preparation, and also because the surgical procedure requires particular care when the adhesive is applied on tissue. Most of the demonstration will be done by Barton, who is a postgraduate student in my laboratory, and the surgical operation will be done by Professor Marcus Stoodley from Macquarie University.
Begin by preparing a chitosan solution in rose